You're right. That wall needed repainted.
I am right.
Let me show you how you can repaint your wall in less than an hour. We had lots of cables running around our walls. Go ahead and remove those before you paint. It'll make for a much cleaner finished product.
Put down drop cloth to save your carpet from paint.
Yes, and even if you think you're a pro, go ahead and put it down because you notice pros put it down also.
Remove your outlet covers. This will make it easier to paint around and you won't get paint on the covers.
Before you fill the walls, go ahead and brush them down. You're going to brush them down again, but this will keep you from getting dirt into your filler.
Hit that subscribe button and tell us how much you love us.
For small dings, use the DAP Quick Set Spackle. I'll put a link to it into the description. And it's always good to have a supervisor, aka boss, to help you find your missed spots.
I am supervisor.
This is important. Do not take your excess spackle and put it back into the container because you're putting all your dirt back into the container also, and that's going to end up in your fill the next time you use it.
Tape the edges of where you're going to paint.
Now, if you're a professional painter, you don't do this, but if you're watching our video, then chances are you are not a professional painter.
After about 30 minutes, your spackle will be ready to sand.
Then take a brush and a tack cloth and wipe all the dust off the wall.
Start with a trim brush and paint your edges.
That way you'll go back across it with the roller and it'll make a much nicer finish. Then take your roller and start going to the town painting. Again, it's always good to have a supervisor to help you find your missed spots.
I am supervisor.
And for us clumsy people, this is important. Check the bottom of your shoes before you step off of the drop cloth. And ignore your supervisor when they start pointing out flaws at this point. Just let it dry. Look at how smooth that ended up.
After your paint has dried, take all your tape down.
Then put all your paint and your brushes into a trash bag and check the bottom of everything as you move it off the drop cloth. Roll the drop cloth up so that all the paint ends up on the inside.
Reinstall your outlet covers.
Put all your furniture back and you are set in less than an hour.